If you're looking for a way to get fantastic aerial shots, whatever your project, you have two options. Either you get a massive boom like the professionals in Hollywood, which, let's be honest, will cost you a lot, or the most affordable and reasonable option, a drone. This is why today we're going to be looking at the top 5 most popular drones that will give you Hollywood quality aerial shots, without all the hassle of lugging a massive boom from place to place. There are many things to consider while buying a drone. It's not just the price. Things like flight time, what you want to do with the drone, and more. That's where this video is going to be helpful for you. If you are a gadget lover and like to watch videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. POTENSIC is a manufacturer that is quite the king when it comes to selling affordable and accessible drones that have good onboard technology. For starters, the POTENSIC T25 comes with an aluminum silver carry case, meaning that you could bring it outdoors to any environment without all the hassle of lugging around a bunch of heavy equipment. The built-in camera comes with a headless mode, altitude mode, and one key to take off and land function, making the drone super easy to access. The POTENSIC T25 has a one-of-a-kind advanced camera, which comes with 4K video and a 120-degree field of vision. The drone comes equipped with dual GPS and will stay still in the wind no matter how bad it's blowing. The POTENSIC T25 has a pressing return button, which, while in GPS mode, allows the drone to fly back to the home point that you had set as a takeoff location. The Follow Me mode and dual GPS will free your hands and automatically follow you while simultaneously capturing all the videos and photos that you want it to. In addition, you will get modular batteries which do hold 1000 milliamps of juice, and you can get up to 300 meters of control range, enabling you to go farther and see broader than any other drone out there. DJI MAVIC Air 2. When we talk about MAVIC Air 2, it's the camera we should appreciate. It has the ability to capture impressive 48 megapixel photos with a half-inch CMOS sensor, with a 3-axis gimbal providing 4K 60 FPS video. The secret to its incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor and a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles, or 10 kilometers. It can deliver 1080p HD resolution, live-streamed directly from the drone's camera, and features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. The biggest draw towards the DJI MAVIC Air 2 is probably the fact that it's one of the smallest, most compact drones on the market. For that reason, you'll be able to stay in the air long enough to get in the perfect capture with an impressive battery life of up to 34 minutes and pull off epic fast-paced shots with a maximum flight speed of 42.3 miles per hour in sport mode. If you want, you can edit video while out on the field, along with seeing your video live thanks to the DJI Fly app. The app allows a new level of freedom when working directly with the drone, removing the need of having to start and stop a flight in order to adjust the camera or flight pattern. If you are looking for a good video quality with a compact size, then DJI MAVIC Air 2 is highly recommended. With the RUCO F11, you're going to be able to experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, and vivid colors, making every video look so immersive and lifelike. Not only that, but the camera does come with a 120-degree field of vision lens and 90-degree adjustable camera that gives a broad view of your most memorable moments. The drone helps you to get the most out of each and every experience, because the RUCO F11 is equipped with an ungraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery, which also provides up to 30 minutes of flight time. The best part is the charging only takes 3.5 hours, meaning that you'll have plenty of time for way more fun. The drone can even perform live video transmissions of up to 300 or 500 meters, allowing for some breathtaking shots. The RUCO F11 is easy for beginners to operate with functions like auto return, FPV, tap fly, headless mode, and takeoff landing, all accessible with a single button press. The brushless motor within the RUCO F11 is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and equipped with a high-voltage battery, allowing for powerful and stable flights. The RUCO F11 can even reach a speed of up to 26 miles per hour and still stay stable. In addition to these features, RUCO promises a 30-day return or exchange policy, so if you experience any issues, they will happily work with you to get it resolved. If you are looking for a stable, well-built drone capable of taking incredible distant photos, the RUCO F11 may be the one for you. The ANAFI 4K HDR, priced at only $552, is considered as one of the best drones out there, despite also being one of the cheapest. The breathtaking aerial videos and pictures this drone is capable of puts it in a league of its own for this price point. It features cutting-edge photography software and hardware, an integrated camera that uses the latest generation sensors for spectacular 4K HDR videos, and 21 megapixel photos. The HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image and is ideal for filming nature views such as a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. This is the only drone on the market offering this feature. Another unique feature of this drone is the camera tilt from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. It is also equipped with a wide-angle lens that features a 110 diagonal field of view, while the optic is specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions. PARROT ANAFI drones come with integrated f/22 timeless DES digital zoom and up to 3 times standard digital zoom that is capable of creating a brand new smart journey, better known as the famous vertigo effect. If you are on a budget but don't want to compromise photo quality, it is well worthy checking out the ANAFI 4K HDR. This SKYDIO 2 is a fully autonomous self-flying drone priced at $999. It is recommended for vloggers and anyone who wants to film themselves, as it does the filming for you, even if you don't have the technical skills. The creators of the SKYDIO 2 claim that it is also crash-proof and guarantee that they will repair or replace the drone if a crash occurs within the first year. The SKYDIO 2 camera produces the vivid images and can shoot 4K up to 60 FPS. One thing that you will love about SKYDIO 2 is that it has a flying camera that's built around the most advanced tracking and navigation system. It has a beacon and magic wand mode that allows the drone to follow you up to 1.5 kilometers away, and with the remote controller, you get up to a 3.5 kilometer range. This drone is portable but doesn't fold up like its peers. In terms of battery life, it is apparently getting 23 minutes of flight time from an S2 battery. If you are a content creator looking for an autonomous drone to add aerial imagery to your lineup, then the SKYDIO 2 is well worth checking out. We hope these recommendations have taken you closer to finding your ideal drone. Let us know your favorite in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.